Is LibreOffice behaving strangely after changing your settings? Resetting LibreOffice can help fix configuration problems, restore default preferences, and give you a clean starting point. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset LibreOffice settings in 2026. So let's get started. First, save and close all documents that are currently open in LibreOffice. Resetting settings can remove customized preferences and may affect extensions or other personal configuration. If you have important customizations, make a backup before continuing. LibreOffice may give you several reset choices, such as resetting settings, extensions, or the entire user profile. Choose the option that matches the problem you're trying to fix. Take a moment to review the confirmation message, then confirm the reset. After confirming the reset, LibreOffice will restart with the selected settings restored. The interface may look different because customized preferences have been returned to their defaults. Give LibreOffice a moment to finish restarting before opening a document. Finally, test LibreOffice to make sure the original problem is gone. If everything works normally, you can gradually restore the settings, extensions, and customizations you actually need. So LibreOffice has now been reset, and you can customize it again from a clean configuration. And that's how to reset LibreOffice settings. Save your work, open Safe Mode, choose the appropriate reset option, confirm the changes, and test LibreOffice after it restarts. Resetting the user profile can be a useful troubleshooting step when corrupted or incorrect settings are causing problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.